Thanks for joining us today, guys. We're going to be talking today about a very interesting topic. We've got a new product, a new tool that we're using here in the wash bay. A lot of you guys have been responding to us, asking about us, and that's this right here. Rob, what's that blue hose you're using on your wash gun? We're going to be talking about that today and why you need this for your wash bay.
LargeCar Truck Spa, the difference between washed and clean.
This is it. It's the Bluetooth hose. We call it here at the Truck Spa. What it is a 16-foot extension hose. It's designed to improve the ergonomics of a wash. A lot of guys wouldn't realize it. You might not even think about it. But when you're washing, having that gun hooked up to your main hose, they're really heavy. They can be bulky, cumbersome. And when it comes to your washing and your wash technique, a lot of times when you have vertical surfaces, it's important to get that wash tip up and as straight as possible. You might not think about it right away, but by the time you get around to the other side of the truck to finish the truck, or like here in the wash bay when we're washing multiple trucks at a time, something like this, absolutely beneficial. This hose weighs 1.6 pounds. It's rated for 5 gallons a minute at an operating pressure of 2,900 psi. We'll kick the pump out and it'll run at about 3,000 psi, never any problems. And that's one of the reasons why we're so excited to talk to you about it here today, guys. We've been using one of these hoses now for about 3 months, and we've put it to the test. We've used it here in the wash bay. We don't have a system here in the bay where we've got an overhead crane or an overhead hose. Our hose is just down here on the floor on the ground. So it's seen a lot of abuse. We've pulled on the hose, bring it around the side of the truck. It's gotten dirty. It's gotten tangled underneath during an engine wash, and hasn't given us any reason to complain. No kinks. It hasn't distorted at all. Absolutely no issues from the hose at all. I've got a VIP customer with me who just came down to pick up some product. He's going to talk to us today or give us his reaction on what the difference is washing without the Bluetooth hose and with. All right, guys, we're ready to wash again. This time, we've got the Bluetooth hose hooked up. Cole, see what the difference is. Give it a try. Cole, what'd you think?
It is completely different. It is honestly so much lighter, so much easier to get your strong trigger hand up and get into those tight spaces. Very light, it's like it's not even there.
I was going to say, it doesn't even feel like a hose is on, does it?
Exactly, you're completely right with that.
Thanks very much for coming in today. I appreciate it. It's nice to being able to have someone come in and show you guys that real reaction to what this really is. We've got it available on our website now. We're going to leave a link in the description so you guys can order them online yourself as well. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think. If this is something that could work for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.